That would be about balance because when you have something that's very voluminous, like oversized pants, then you want to pair it with something that's very fitted on top. So a fitted turtleneck, a fitted button up shirt, a belt. You want to have good proportions when you're dealing with anything that's oversized as well. Even a kind of a fitted jacket because you just don't want to look like you're a walking balloon, for lack of a better word. Because and two, it depends on your proportions as far as your height. For me, I'm a petite person, so styling oversized pants on me wouldn't necessarily work. I have longer legs for a petite person, but the pants would take me over. So I think for somebody who's maybe 5'5" and above, it's a good idea for them, maybe even 5'7". But anybody that's below that, it's going to be a little bit of a challenge just because it has to be super fitted. You have to have great proportions with it, or else you're just going to look like you're drowning in those pants. And we don't want that.